Understanding window replacement. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a practical topic that you might encounter in everyday conversations or situations: window replacement. It's a common phrase, especially in the context of home maintenance and renovation. Let's explore what it means, why it's important, and some key phrases associated with it. Stay tuned to master this topic. Window replacement refers to the process of removing old windows from a building and installing new ones. This can be done for various reasons, such as improving the home's energy efficiency, enhancing its appearance, or repairing damage. It's a task that involves careful planning, selection of materials, and professional installation. Understanding this phrase is crucial for anyone dealing with home improvement or maintenance tasks. There are several key reasons why someone might consider window replacement. Energy efficiency. New windows can better insulate your home, leading to lower heating and cooling costs. Aesthetics. Replacing old, worn-out windows can improve the look of your home, both inside and out. Functionality. New windows may offer better functionality, with features like easier cleaning, opening, and closing. Safety and security. Upgraded windows can provide enhanced safety and security features. Repairing damage. Over time, windows can become damaged or dysfunctional. Replacement is often the best solution. Understanding these reasons can help you communicate more effectively about the benefits and importance of window replacement. When discussing window replacement, there are several key phrases and pieces of vocabulary that are useful to know. Double-glazed windows. Windows with 2 layers of glass to improve insulation. Energy Star rated. A designation for products that meet certain energy efficiency criteria set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Installation. The process of putting the new windows in place. Sealant. A material used to prevent air and water from entering through gaps. Sash. The part of the window that moves and holds the glass. Frame. The static part of the window that holds the sash. Familiarizing yourself with these terms can make discussions about window replacement much clearer and more productive. Thank you for joining us today to learn about window replacement. We hope this video has shed light on what window replacement involves, why it might be necessary, and some of the key terms associated with it. Whether you're talking about home improvements, reading about them, or undertaking them yourself, understanding this topic is incredibly useful. See you in our next video, where we'll continue exploring the English language and its practical applications.